Today, I'd like to share my research on teacher pay and teacher retention, two issues that continue to affect public education across the United States. My goal was to better understand why so many teachers leave the field or leave the profession, and what schools can do to retain qualified teachers. My research focused on one question: how does teacher pay and working conditions affect teacher retention? And what improvements could help keep experienced teachers in the classroom? After reviewing the literature, conducting some interviews with my administrator and other professionals, I found that teacher retention is influenced by much more than just salary alone. While competitive pay is, it's important, working conditions are important. Administrative support, professional respect are just as critical in determining whether teachers retain or remain in the profession. With that being said, the research shows that teachers often earn less than other professionals with similar levels of education. And even though many hold bachelor's or master's degrees and have significant responsibilities, the pay is not there. In the research, they also found that teachers in mathematics, in math and science fields, are along with other stronger academic backgrounds, are especially likely to leave the profession because of the workload, the stress, and state testing. So these findings are concerning because they are areas where schools already face teacher shortages. So the literature also highlights the impact of working conditions. Many teachers experience large class sizes, limited classroom resources, there's increasing administrative responsibilities on each teacher, and there's a pressure to improve standardized testing scores. So these challenges contribute to stress and teacher burnout. I'm sure all these students in the program have felt that. So they found that there's research that suggests that schools can improve retention by providing greater support for new teachers, specifically new teachers, and such as maybe assigning them less challenging classes or offering stronger mentoring during the first few years that they are teaching, just getting their feet wet. And overall, both the literature and my interviews point to the same conclusion, that increasing teacher salaries is important, but it's only one piece of the puzzle, it's one piece of the solution. Schools must also invest in mentoring, professional development, PLCs, supportive leadership, and better working conditions if they want to retain experienced teachers.